love me. Every time you hold me, I'm still not certain that you care. Although you keep saying you really, really, really love me, do you speak the same words to someone else when I'm not there? Suspicion torment my heart. Suspicion keep us apart. Suspicion, why torture me? Every time you call me and tell me we should meet tomorrow, I can't help but think that you're meeting someone else tonight. Why should our romance just keep on causing me such sorrow? Why am I so doubtful whenever you are out of sight? Suspicion torture me. Suspicion keep us apart. Suspicion, why torture me? Darling, if you love me, I beg you wait a little longer. Wait until I drive all these foolish fears out of my mind. I hope and pray that our love will keep on growing stronger. Maybe I'm suspicious, cause true love is so hard to find. Suspicion might torture my heart. Suspicion keep us apart. Suspicion might torture me. It's good beer.